east of here. This would be the area right around Union Hill. So that would be around the Come 65, kind of around Goodlettsville, up toward Millersville, on Interstate 65, there where we've got the potential for a little rotation. This is not a tornado warning right now. This is just a severe thunderstorm warning. But anytime you've got a little bit of rotation, that's when you can start to send some of these strong gusty winds aloft, down to the ground. It's also when maybe conditions might be a little more conducive when you've got it spinning around a little bit to get some hail going on in this storm. But one of the things that the Weather Service had mentioned was the threat.
Alright, got my camera ready for storms. It's not done yet, but watching this my scary movie. Yeah.